Hey guys, welcome back to Startup Central. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to qualify for the Blast airdrop. Now, we have already discussed and I have shown you how to qualify for Blast adjacent airdrops, but this is the main one, the Blast blockchain. So blockchains are normally dropping more money or tokens than adjacent or protocols or dApps adjacent to that main chain. And for Blast, it's going to be quite easy. Now, this might require you to have some ETH in your wallet, but it is said that this is going to be one of the largest drops in this cycle, so it might be worth to you to do it. So I'm going to show you in my browser. It's going to take us around 5 minutes to qualify for this, but that's going to be easy and fast as long as you have some ETH. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, we are in the Blast website. Again, the link is in the description of this video, and actually not anyone can join this airdrop. You will need an invite, but guys, I'm going to place my invites in the description of this video. Unfortunately, I think there's only 5 invites per person. So the first 5 people who click on those invites and are able to breach ETH through the main Ethereum blockchain are going to be qualifying for this airdrop, at least from my invites. But if you have yours, I encourage you to leave yours also in the comment section so other people can use your invites, and both the people who invites and the people who joins, they are going to be getting more of that airdrop. So it's quite easy to qualify for this. I'm going to click on join early access, and that takes us to this page where I'm going to have to link my wallet address and my, if I remember well, my Twitter account. That has been done in one of those previous videos where we discussed Blast adjacent drops. Now, this is time sensitive because you have until the end of February to do this, and whatever you bridge is going to be staying in the blockchain for the remaining of February. So that's not far away. It's going to be just 1 week and just a few more days, but that's it. And the more you bridge, you can have some spins, and now spins apparently are a thing with airdrops, and those spins could qualify you for all the way from 2x to 10x of what you're getting in that airdrop. Now, every ETH that you bridge will get you a spin. I only bridged 1/5 of almost 1/4 of an ETH, so that would qualify me for a spin in the next 28 days, which I'm not really interested in that spin. You might, and if you can bridge 1 ETH, you'll be probably getting this spin right away. So here are my invites. I'm going to again place them in the description of this video so you can just click on them, and as you can see, there are a limited number. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 invite, guys. So if you are interested, if you're not interested, don't click on this link, because otherwise you will be spoiling one of these invites if you're not going to be bridging ETH. Now, the thing you need to do is bridge ETH from the main Ethereum blockchain. So if you have some spare ETH, I think it is worth, and it's again, if you had tried to participate on this airdrop like a month ago, then you would have had to lock those ETH for 1 month. But we're almost in March, guys. So it's just a few days where you need to get them staked. So what you need to do is click on bridge. In this case, it tells me bridge more because I have already done this bridging. So you click on bridge, and this is the bridge. It's the official bridge. And as you can see, I can bridge. I only have this left in my Ethereum blockchain. So of course, I'm not going to bridge this or this. As you can see, this allows you to bridge either ETH or USDT. So whatever you want to bridge from those of these 2 tokens, it will qualify you. Now, you cannot change the chain, so you will need to bridge from the Ethereum mainnet, and you can click what do you want to bridge. So apparently it's either ETH, USDC, Tether, and all these other tokens. I bridged ETH because ETH is going up. Well, today it's going a little bit down, but the trend is that it's going to be going up. So I don't want to lose that upside. So and it's going to cost you the same in gas fees. Now, guys, if you want to participate here and you want to make sure that you're spending as little gas as you can. Remember, there is that page I've already shown you where it tells you at what time it's going to be cheapest in your location to bridge tokens. This is one of such pages, and this is CoinTool. Again, I'm going to leave the link on the description of this video, and you can choose the chain, and right now it's on ETH, and as you can see, it's at 37, which is normal for this time and day, but it doesn't mean that it's the cheapest. As per usual, weekends and rare strange hours where people in Europe are probably asleep and people in the Americas are getting prepared to sleep, that's kind of the period where it goes down. And if you're located in Asia, it might be better to you because you're going to be awake during those times. So I'm going to show you another page that is handy where you can see what the best prices you're getting in terms of gas fee at what time. So as you can see, today for me it's a Wednesday, but for this chart probably it's a Tuesday, and you can see that the lightest tones are where it's cheaper. So Fridays, Saturdays, and part of the Sundays are cheaper to do transactions on. But let's say you want to do that right now, then look for an hour in your day where it is cheaper. So all we have to do is realize this is hours UTC, so you add or subtract hours depending on where you're located at. So if you are like me in the central time in the US, you just deduct 6 hours from this and you'll get today. So right now for UTC, I'm located here, which is a little bit costly, but if I wait for hours, this is going to be going from an average of 26, 28 to down to 22, and then it's going to be going up a little bit. So yeah, you could look for the averages that are better in your location and then make that decision on when to bridge. Now let's go back to bridging. So you choose what token you want to bridge. So let's assume I'm bridging more ETH, which I'm not, because it's going to be more costly to do this transaction. And you just click on submit, and that's it. You can always withdraw, but it's not activated until the mainnet launches. So you will be able to withdraw once that has been accomplished. So once you have done this, guys, you will probably need to invite it. I mean, it doesn't say that you necessarily need to invite people, but there are invites available and you might get ranked higher in the leaderboard. So again, I invite you to place those links in the comment section so you can get your invites, and this get filled quite quickly because a lot of people are interested in this airdrop because of the potential amount of tokens they're going to be dropping. So to sum up, guys, this is going to be a very interesting airdrop. It's quite easy, as you can see, to qualify, but you do need some ETH on the Ethereum main chain and some gas fees to pay for that bridging. Once you have bridged, you just copy your invites, paste them in the comment section, and you're done. Now you have to wait until the end of February, until mainnet launches, and then you will be getting that airdrop, which hopefully, guys, I mean, an airdrop in 7 to 10 days, that's going to be fantastic. We didn't do a lot of work and we're getting something out of our work. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like it and subscribe as always to Startup Central to get more information, more alpha on airdrops, on crypto gems, and how to make money in crypto in general. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.